Hey, what's up, guys? Mikey Guitar is back with another episode of lesson. Alright, guys, so for today, I want to show you a very simple lesson, though it's not that simple. It's mainly for advanced players, okay, and intermediate players. So, if you're a beginner, you might not really understand this, okay. So, I would prefer you go into the major scales, major chord, and the minor chord at first, okay. So, you know you can understand the basics, okay. And many of you have been having complaints on how to create the diminished chord. Okay, so what I'm showing in this video on how to create diminished chord. You know, diminished chord is what we call in our software notation the tall, fi, z, okay, more, all those all those ghost notes in between the major and the minor notes. Okay, like if you are playing, this is the key of C. Do, do. Okay, this is the key of C. If you play your do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, la, sol, fa, re, do. Okay, in between the do and the re, we have what we call D. Okay, in between the D, the do and the re, we have D. That's do, D, re. Okay, in between the re and the mi, we have what we call mo. Some people call it re. Okay, that is called the flatted because the mi is the third note there. Okay, the mi is the third note, so that will be your flatted. Okay, while the notes, the D in between the do and the re is called the flat. Okay, the flat 9. Like in jazzy way, the re is the 9. It is the second note in the major diatonic scale. Okay, so if you want to call a musical term, it's called the flat 9, but you can say the flat 2, okay, because re is a 2 note, so you can say the flat 2. While in software notation is called D, okay, D, do, D, re, do, do, re, okay, mo, mi, okay, mo, mi, fa, fi, okay, fi. The fi there is called, in musical language, is called the flat fifth, okay, the flat fifth is a fi, okay, because so is the fifth note, so it has to be called the flat fifth, okay, which is fi in the software notation, okay, fi, so, zi, okay. The note between the so and the la, so, la, so, la. The note in between the so, la is called zi, so that will be your flat 6 because the la is a 6th note, okay? The la is a 6th note, so that will be your flat 6. Okay? That will be Z in software notation, but in musical terms it's called the flat 6, okay? It's called Z, okay? So I need you to understand this. So from your la, we have the la, do, si, okay? La, do, si. So between the la and the ti, we have a note there called to in software notation, while in musical terms it's called the flat 7 because T is the 7th note. Okay, T is the 7th note, and the third there will be called flat 7. Okay, because you are lessing it to the front. Any note that is lessened to the front is called flat. That means you are flattening the note. Okay, if it's on the back descending axis, we call it the sharp. Okay, so the note there is called to in software notation, while it's called flat 7 on musical language, musical terms. Okay. Okay. So what I want to explain there is how most of you want to know how to play those chords in between the do and the re, the re and the mi, all those small to, fi, okay, those flat fi. It's very simple. Okay. At first. I want you to watch this video to the end. Don't miss any part so you don't miss that one I'm going to say you now. Okay? At first, you know we have the major triad and the minor triad. Okay? You have the note that forms the do chord, the va chord, the so chord. We have notes that form the re chord, the mi chord, and the la chord. Okay? All these notes are all related notes. Okay? They are all related notes. So in the case of this ghost note there, okay, in the case of all these ghost notes, they are in between the major and the minor notes there, okay. The note that forms them is also the diminished note, okay? Now, for instance, if you want to play D chord, this is the D chord, D, Do, D, okay? That is a D chord, Do, Mi, Re, okay? So now the D, this D now is C sharp, okay? That would be a D sharp diminish. Okay, now how do I form a diminished note, which is the D chord? Okay, how do I form a diminished note? A diminished note is formed of the one note, the flatted, okay, the one note, the flatted, which is the more again, and the flat fifth, which is the fi. Then some diminish are whole with the to, some diminish are whole with the la. The full diminish, like I'm holding here now, is with the la. Okay, why a half diminish is with the to, stuff like this. Okay, that's the two different diminish. Sorry. Okay, we have the half diminish, we have the full diminish. Okay, the full diminish is with the to, while the half diminish is with the do. Okay. Now what I'm trying to say is the half diminish, the full diminish here, okay, always play, you always hold the full diminish. When you are going to your minor, okay, to your minor notes, which is like this D and Re, okay, D, Re, okay. Now the half diminish, if you want to hold it half diminish, the half diminish, you hold it half diminish when you are going from your like a diminished note to a, when you are going from a diminished note to a major note, just like going from the fi to the saw. From the fi to the saw, you will hold a half diminished, so like this is a fi chord, this is a fi note. You got do re mi fa fi, do re mi fa fi. So you hold it like this. Okay. Then you go to your saw. Okay. Fi, saw. Okay. So how to hold diminished note? Diminish and go back to the D here. Okay. How to hold diminished note? This is my one note there, which is the C sharp. This is my fi, because this should be your va. Do, re, mi, fa. Okay, fi. Okay. Fi, so, la. Fi. Okay. Ti, do, ti, la. Okay. La, mi, re, do. So I play the do, I play the fi, I play the la there, and I play the mo. Okay. Play the do, fi, okay. Do, fi, la, mo. Okay. This is your mi, mo. Okay. On the second string there. This is your mi, this is your mo. Okay. Remember, this is a she, this is a C sharp. Okay. Remember that. So when you want to hold a chord, when you want to hold the chord there, at first, okay, what will come to your mind is try to know the key you are on. Like for instance now, this is re, mo, okay. Now if I want to hold a mo, because I'm going to mo, mi is the minor note, so I'm just going to still hold, okay, I'm going to still hold a full diminished note. Okay, now the full diminished now that mo is in the key of E flat, which is the G sharp, D sharp, okay, which is the D sharp. Okay, I don't know if you understand me. So It's just for you to make sure you understand it simple by simple. Understand the process, okay? Just understand the process, because diminished note is form of the one note, the flatted, which is the fee, and either the la or to, depending on which uh which note you are holding to, which note you are diminishing to. Either you are diminishing to a minor note or you are diminishing to a major note. Okay, so I believe if you can try to understand here, you can work that, you'll be able to be understanding how to play your more Z in all the fretboard. You just use the idea that diminished note or tall, fi, sol, Z, all those notes, they are form of the one note, the flat third, which is the more, the flat fifth, which is the fi, then the la note or the tall, which is probably, if you are going to a minor note, you play the la. If you are going to the major note, you're playing the tall, you're adding the tall. Okay, so I will explain that in my further lesson, and I would like you to drop your comment of how you understand the video on the comment section. Okay, I really appreciate that. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.